What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Freedom Renovations. Hope everybody's having a blessed day. Thank you so much for tuning into another one of our videos. Today's an exciting day, guys, because we are switching it up and we're taking it outside. Today I'm going to show you how we took this old weathered fence and we made it look brand new. Best part about it is, guys, is we did it for just under $50. Alrighty, guys, you know what time it is.
Let's make it happen.
Alright, guys, so we're about halfway done. I've done the whole entire half. This gives you a great view of just what the pressure washer does. Top half has been pressure washed and the bottom half is still yet to be done. Alrighty, guys, so here it is after all of the boards being pressure washed. Boards are a little wet still. They're a little lighter than you would think. Come back tomorrow and apply some stain and I'll show you what it looks like. Alrighty, guys, so we're gonna head into town, a little daddy-daughter date, head to Lowe's, get some stain and make it happen.
Yeah.
I get to wake up by your side, thank God. Your hand fits perfectly in mine, thank God. You love me when you didn't have to, you did when you do, you knew. Thank God for giving me you.
Alrighty, guys, we made it to Lowe's. We're gonna head on in and pick out some stain. Let's make it happen.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, so we're back home. We're gonna go ahead and get started, fill up our new sprayer. Today we're gonna be using the Wagner 4300. Compliments of my amazing in-laws and sister-in-law, so thank you guys so much. We're gonna be giving that a try. Let's make it happen. Alrighty guys, well thank you so much for watching another episode of Freedom Renovations. If you like what you saw, don't forget to smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future content. As always, have a blessed day, and we'll see you next time.